Gold has seen a good bullish move till towards 1785 and again retraced and now trading at 1776 levels. At the same time, Dow Jones traded very well within range, but yes, rising from the drop yesterday uh, after the drop towards the end of the session. At the same time, Nasdaq 100 is trading with a bullish note. Now, what to expect today with the US cash session, and specifically in 30 minutes, the PPI data will also get released. Definitely, it will have an impact on markets. So, which direction it may go? Let's have a look with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next update on these indices, commodities and other commodities as well will be released tomorrow before the Asia session. So do watch that also. Let's start. Gold trading at 1770. And if you look at the hourly charts, after achieving the highs there, it is forming a flag there. But yes, getting the support there on the downside. Only sell entry I will recommend is below 1770. Below that you can sell. Expect 1760. 765 and then 1760 to provide maximum support. Below that we can expect a good drop. Right now it is on the hourly charts, it is trying to trade bullish, taking the support from the 50 period moving average, trading in this channel. At the same time, any buy entry is above 1780 levels. Beyond that, certainly you can expect a little more bullishness. So in between 70 and 80 do not trade. That is very clear here. The directional movement is moderately bullish. The stochastic is looking downwards, and the MACD has crossed over on the hourly charts. It appears probably there could be little bearishness. We can see RSI is trading flat. Looking at the 2-hour charts, if you look at likewise on the 2-hour charts, you will find trading in this zone. We have seen this earlier in the day today that it is trying to trade in this channel, and probably this time again trying to fly on the upside, failing to do so. Yes, if you see it trading below 1770, certainly a little more bearishness towards 1765, 60 and below levels can be seen. It may give a good break. If it breaks below 1760-55 levels, certainly a good break can be expected. So sell at 70 and buy at 80. Above 80, again it is going to give you very good bullish move towards 85. Beyond 85, 91 and 1800. 1800 is the major resistance there on the upside. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is looking downwards here. It indicates that it is trying to lose the momentum on the bull side. The MACD is bearish here, but it is looking forward to again converge crossover, failing to do so. See, the height is increasing, so probably little more bearishness is what we can sense. RSI is trading near to the highs, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you'll find. Now see the 3-hour charts. See, there is a pushback on the downside on this candle, and in last 2 candles it is just consolidating. Hence, once you see it trading below 1770, certainly you can sell there. Expect 1765, 67, and then below 1765 you can expect a good draw for 1760, 55 and 50 levels. Till 50 it has got very good support. Below that a crash can be expected. At the same time, trading above 1780 you can certainly expect a good bullish move, but 85, 91 and then 1800 are the targets. Direction movement is bullish. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD is bearish here still. It is trading flat, and this crossover has happened after long. Now see, it is trying to curve a little positive, but let's see if it continues to do so. RSI is trading near to the overbought levels, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. See, if you connect the dots here, all the candles are very much well within line, and this time it is trying to breach past. Hence 1770 certainly a very good level to stay short below, and then you can expect a little drop. Below that 1765, 60 levels and below levels can be expected. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought here, now looking downwards. And look at the MACD, this is divergent and bearish here. The RSI is also near to overbought levels. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we have seen higher highs this candle has created. You can find out, see, previous candle had a long tail and it traded bearish, and it has seen the highs there. This time it is seen the highs, now it is trying to retrace. So yes, once it draws below 1770, you can expect that we may see lower lows also, and then 1750 levels cannot be denied. It can give you very good swing if it trades below 1750. Probably for the rest of the week we may see little more bearishness. So sell below 1770, that is very clear. Above 1780 you can again expect a good bullish move for 85, 91 and 1800 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, before we proceed to that, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The 15th batch is going to start. 17th batch is going to start on 28th of November. Do not miss this opportunity. Learning and joining this batch, definitely you can begin your new year 2023 with lots of profits, and that is what is my expectation and wishes for you all. So yes, join this mentorship batch. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me and the contact details where you can reach me are mentioned in the channel description. If you go to my channel homepage, YouTube channel homepage, you will find an about section there. In the about section, the description is mentioned, and there you will find my Gmail IDs, my Telegram IDs, where you can connect with me. Also, you can be part of my signals group, trading as per the signals. Definitely you can profit. Now, Nasdaq 100 on the early chart. Nasdaq 100 on the early chart is showing extreme bullishness. You can find out it has created the steps and then a big breakout has been seen, and now it is again trying to break out. See, this is something, if you see the building with the base, it is trying to rise, and hence once it trades below 11,870, you can expect that we may see it dropping till towards 11,830, 40 levels, and if it drops below 11,830, certainly 11,800, 750, 700 levels can be seen there. Yes, you can go short at 11,870 levels. Below that, certainly more bearishness to be seen. Till the time it trades below 11,870, see, it is trying to create bigger pillars on the upside, and yes, there is definitely a good resistance at 11,920. So beyond 11,920, 11,950 is the target, and beyond that, 12,000 levels to be seen on Nasdaq 100. You have to be careful. It is trading extremely bullish right now, but a reversal cannot be denied. Directional movement extremely divergent and bullish here. The stochastic is extremely overbought on the early chart. It must cross over and converge for a sell. Let's see if it does. The MACD has crossed over again. This is divergent and this is increasing bullishness here. See, it is continuing to diverge, indicating bullishness. The RSI is again back to overbought levels. And if you look at the 2 hour, now look at the 2-hour charts, possibly this is giving you a very big bullish candle. Possibly 11,950, 12,000 levels are achievable. If it sustains above 11,920, stay long for 11,950 and 12,000 levels. This is the level beyond which certainly more bullishness to be seen. At the same time, dropping below 11,830, you can go short, expect equal size of candle on the other side. So if it drops below 11,830, you can expect almost 80 points from there. So 11,750 certainly first support, and then below that 11,740, 730 is the next support, and then 11,700. Dropping below 700, it is going to be bearish, else it is continuing to trade in the bullish zone. It is right now trading extremely bullish. The directional movement is again divergent and bullish. The stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish cross. We will wait for it. The RSI is again into the overbought levels. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, it is just trying to trade bullish, achieving higher highs. We'll wait for 11,950, 12,000 levels are achievable. If it sustains above 11,920, that is the target. Once it sustains above 11,920, you can see a very good bullish move. Else, on the downside, it can give you equal size of candle, probably taking it till towards 11,750 levels. And then 700 and below levels are also can be seen. The directional movement is divergent and bullish. Stochastic entering into overbought levels. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI entering into overbought levels again. The 4-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, after 3 similar size candle, it has given a breakout candle. This is the first breakout candle, and this is the highs there. That is what we can see. So the channel highs are here, the channel lows are at 11,750, 730, and then 700 level 700 is a very good support. So buy above 11,920 and sell at 11,830 for these 90 points. Do not take any trade. That is what we can see. Here also directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic entering into overbought levels. MACD is trying to converge again, crossover for a bullish move, and RSI is near to overbought levels. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see the previous 2 candles were almost of consolidation, lower lows, higher lows here, and yes, higher highs were also seen, but this time it is certainly given a breakout, but I will wait for it to break past 11,920. Beyond that, you can expect that it is going to go past 12,000 levels here. Possibly it is looking forward to break past 12,000 levels. Else, once it trades below 11,830, you can see a very good drop, and below 11,830 target is still towards 11,800, 11,750, 700. Below 700 only you can expect that it is going to show the bearishness. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI is looking upwards. Considering this, buy at 11,920, sell at 11,830. In between these 90 points, do not trade above 920. Expect 950, 12,000 are the targets. Below 830, it can drop for 750, 700. 700 is a very good support. 750 is also very good support. Below 700, it can crash strongly on the downside. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, on the early charts, US 30 is also trading bullish. It is trying to, but see, after this drop, this should be considered a retracement, and once it drops below this zone at 30,600, you can certainly remain short. In fact, you can go short here at 3700 itself, and below 3700 you can expect 3650, 600 as the major support. See, 3650 definitely going to provide a good support. Below that 3600 should come. Below that it will continue with the bearish momentum. Hence you need to watch out for 3600 levels. If it drops below 3600, certainly more bearishness to be seen. Sell at 3750 and remain bearish. 36700 and remain bearish afterwards. But remember, 3650, 600 can reverse. It achieves 3650, 600 and it can potentially reverse. Hence you have to trade with the trailing stop loss on the downside. And also on the upside, there is a probability that it can probably achieve the triple top here at 3970 levels, which is the next highs. I'll be cautious of that. Directional movement looking, it is still in the no trade zone. The stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is divergent again. It has crossed over the RSI. It's trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see the movement here. See, rise, drop, lower highs, and see, it is still trading in this consolidation zone here. Any drop today below 3600, certainly 33600, certainly it is going to trade extremely bearish. You have to be cautious of that. Sell at 3700, expect 3650, 33650, 33600 as a good support. Below that, certainly more bearishness to be seen. On the upside, buy above 33,800, expect 33,900 and then 34,000 levels as the targets. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge. The RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, you will find, see, it is trying to reverse from here. Higher lows are seen and it is trying to achieve higher highs. 33,800 levels certainly be a good resistance. Beyond that, you can remain long for 33,900 and beyond levels. Below 33,700, you can expect 33,650 as the major support and then 33,600 levels as the next targets. But on the only below 33,600, it is going to trade bearish. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is bearish. It is still continuing to diverge. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts also similar is the observation. Higher lows and possibly flat top. It is still failing to go past 34,000 levels. I will wait for it to break past for continuing the bullish momentum. Directional movement is moderately bullish. And if you look at the stochastic, this is trading at bottom looking upwards from here. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bearish. RSI is still looking upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, certainly below 33,600. See, the previous candle, you should observe, the previous candle had a stronger wick out there. See, the body size is also increased. Hence, below 33,600, it is going to give you very good drop for 33,400 level. So stay short below 33,600 for sure. Rather, I will recommend you to sell at 33,700 itself. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is bullish here. It is trying to converge. RSI trading flat. Considering this, sell at 33,700, buy at 33,800. But remember, 33,900, 34,000 levels are still going to be the resistance. We have seen it getting rejected twice at the same levels, and hence 33,970, 34,000 levels should be extremely good resistance. Beyond that, it is going to fly for 34,200 levels. So buy at 33,800, but it is still expected to drop if it continues to trade or remain below 34,000 levels. On the downside, below 33,600, at least you will get 200 points and it will drop till towards 33,400 level. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.